Okay, so during the time that the Aitos live in their community without any electricity, for them to be able to forecast the weather, they rely on the movement of the swarming dragonfly. That every time they see a lot of dragonflies in their place, it only means one thing. There is an upcoming calamity. For example, there's a strong typhoon approaching. So again, imitating the movement of a dragonfly indicates the onset of the rainy season. Thank you, Greg. Second dance to be performed by Piolo. This is the monkey dance. And so for the Aitos people, there's no other animal inside the Subic forest will match this skill when it comes to hunting and foraging, aside from the monkey. So monkey dance is a means of play or pastime for the younger Aitos, while the elders head out in the forest to hunt for food. Tuloy po natin sayo ng unggoy. Thank you very much, Piolo. Last dance po is the Binabayani or war dance. So during the olden time when the law was not yet fully established here in the Philippines, and whenever there's a misunderstanding arises between the Aitos tribe and the other neighboring tribe, for them to settle the war between two tribes, they perform the war dance, and they believe po that whoever will be the best performer will be the best fighter for their tribe. But before they do engage po themselves into a war, they select first an ambassador god known as Apo na Mayari or the Black Nazarene po to win a victorious fight.